All right, hello guys. Can you see the screen here? Okay, I guess can you see it? All right. Okay, hello guys. My name is Zishan and welcome to Super Tradish YouTube live stream. Today I'm streaming live here. Uh, so if you guys want me to analyze your favorite altcoin, then you can put that in the chat box and I'll definitely watch this and analyze your favorite altcoin. So right now the market is not looking good. The whole crypto market, as I can see, is bleeding here. If I start to analyze this on the Bitcoin chart, let's first analyze this Bitcoin chart on the weekly time frame. I'll analyze this with starting with the weekly chart and with detailed analysis, so please guys stay here. So let's see on the weekly chart. As you can see, on the previous week the candle closed bullishly, and right now the candle is bearish. So on the weekly chart we can see this was a support here, and it broke out this support and became a support here. Sorry, it was a resistance here, it became a support after the breakout, and now it is testing this level again, once again here. So it is acting as a support here once again. But if I go to the daily chart and see the market structure like this, as you can see, the price is making a lower lows and lower highs, as you guys can see, and you can fit the channel here as well like this. So you can see that we are trading in this channel as well on the daily chart. So let me first delete this channel so I can analyze further here. So we were also trading in this channel, and prior to that channel we had a downward momentum, downward price action, as you can see. So prior to this channel we had this downward momentum, and I anticipated and I made a video about that this channel is looking bearish. And as you can see, right after breaking this neckline of this Bitcoin here at around 45.5k, I was turned into a bearish on the Bitcoin. Although this is the level of support and resistance, but this is not looking good. The price action is not looking good. Also, one other bearish scenario I was watching here, like this is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the potential right shoulder, and this is the neckline. And unfortunately the Bitcoin has broken the neckline of this head and shoulder pattern here as well. Let me draw a head and shoulder pattern here again like this so everybody can see. So here we broke the neckline, we kind of retested the neckline, and now it is resuming here again. So things are not looking good in the Bitcoin as far as technicals is concerned, but I have one last level here that's around 39k level. If this Bitcoin breaks this 39k level, then that's a disaster for a Bitcoin and almost for all the other altcoins, because if you can see, if this level is broken to the downside, then this channel price prediction will come into fruition here at around $30,000 level. As you can see, this was a nice area of support and resistance as well previously. So this level of around 39k must hold in order for bulls to gain this bullish momentum and hopefully goes up from here. So right now the price is consolidating here in a very narrow range. Let me see the range here of around $3,000 range for at least 2 weeks right now. So this is an indication that Bitcoin will go to somewhere. Either it will break to the upside or break to the downside. So I'm giving you a scenario here that if Bitcoin breaks to the upside, let's say if it closes above 46k and trade above it on the daily chart, then we can see the bias to the bullish side. And if we are trading below this 46k region, then we are still bearish on the Bitcoin. And let's say if the Bitcoin closes below this 39k level, then that's a disaster for Bitcoin, and we will see Bitcoin to goes towards this $30,000 level very easily, in my opinion, and even much lower than that. And that would really disaster for whole Bitcoin market. But that's still early to say. First we need to close below this 39k, then we'll see. All right, so having that in mind, the Bitcoin is at the sideways action, and breakout can happen at any time, either to the upside or to the downside. So having that in mind, let's analyze some coins here on the let's analyze some altcoins. Guys, can you please put your favorite altcoin in the comment box below so I can analyze that for you. Otherwise I'll analyze the metaverses coins that my audience is watching. And if you are watching till now, I appreciate, please smash up the like button for me. That would really appreciate it. All right, let's analyze the sandbox here. All right, so as you can see, the sandbox and all the cryptos are following this Bitcoin narrative. So let's analyze this sandbox here for a bit. Let's analyze this on the weekly chart. As you guys can see, the momentum is still in the downside on the sandbox pair, and the visible support level I can see is at around this level, at around $1 level, because price has already shot up aggressively. And if Bitcoin falls from here, then we'll see this $1 level, but that's early to say. Let's analyze this on the daily chart. As you can see right now, the sandbox price is trading in this box range of around 3.7 and 4.5 level, and that's a support box. Let me delete some lines here, guys, please bear with me here, like this. Let me delete it. All right, so as you can see on the 4-hour chart, we were watching this head and shoulder pattern for a very long time, head and shoulder pattern, and this triangle pattern. And most of my subscriber took a short here based on my technical analysis, so they made a huge money. I got an email from them thanking me to they were thanking me for this head and shoulder pattern. All right, so right after that we have achieved this target here at around $4 level, and after we achieved the $4 level, price kind of went into a sideways territory right here. So right now things are not looking good on the 4-hour chart of the Sandbox here. And if I can delete this line here for a bit, let me do it again because this is cluttering up here. Let me do it here again. Price is trading in a new channel like this on the 4-hour chart, like this. So price is trading in this 4-hour channel, and we are at the middle of the channel, and that's not a good sign here on the Sandbox. And we might see a little bit correction up here all the way till the $3.70 level, which is at the bottom of the box. So price might fall further from here. More than 13% could fall from here if we don't see a recovery in the Bitcoin. No, I'll do a mana coin in a moment. You didn't miss. You guys can put your favorite altcoin in the comment box, in the chat box below, and I'll pick up from this chat box and we'll analyze that. All right. So this is the most probable area for a bounce in the Sandbox. So guys, watch out for this level at around $3.70 level, which is at the bottom of this box. Very nice support and resistance area. I'll try and do a trade here at around this level. I'll also do a Telegram post about this trade because this is a very nice area I can see. Because also, if you can see, this will be the target projection level here as well, as you can see. So nice area here for a little bit scalp and make some money from this level. So right now things are not looking good unless we see a buying pressure in the Bitcoin. Not looking good. As you can see, price is making lower lows and lower highs on the Sandbox pair. Same on the daily chart, lower lows and lower highs, but this support level means this is the very good support level. So guys, definitely watch out for this level. We might expect a bounce from here all the way up till, like, the bounce would be like 15 and 16% gains, and if you did it with the leverage, then that would be a good one. All right, now let's jump into the mana coin based on the request of this subscriber. So if you haven't liked this video yet, please like this right now. Let's do a mana coin, and guys, please put your favorite altcoin in the comment box below and I'll analyze that for you. All right, let's start this with mana Decentraland coin. Okay, as you can see, we were watching this head and shoulder pattern level. If you guys know, this head and shoulder pattern is a reversal pattern. This is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. So this is a bearish pattern, not a good sign here. All right, and this is the neckline. As you can see, this is the neckline, and if I zoom in, and you can see this neckline is broken to the downside, and we are testing the back of this neckline, and the price is following down from the back of the neckline, which is not a good sign. This is a bearish sign, not a good sign in the mana coin. And I told you that if we break this neckline on the mana coin and this box of around $2.70 level, let's make it this one, let's make this area of around $2.20 level. If we break this $2.20 level, which is a very good support area, because as you can see this was a support area as well, support here as well, and if we break this level, then that would be a disaster for this mana coin as well, and we might see $1 in the mana coin or even 60 cents in mana coin if we break this level, because this is a, you can say, a neckline of the head and shoulder pattern here, and the target for this head and shoulder pattern is much lower than that. So I would expect if we break this level and we break this 39k in the Bitcoin, then we will see $1 in the mana coin or 60 cents in the mana coin very soon. So guys, not looking good unless we see this high of around $3.50 level is broken to the upside and the daily candle closes above this level. Then we might see a nice rally to the upside. If we are trading below this and closing below this level, then that's a disaster. All right, I hope you guys like this quick video analysis on the mana coin. Things are not looking good. All right, let's do a quick analysis on the Gala coin. So as you can see, the same sort of pattern that is following on all the gaming crypto, which is basically not a good sign here. And as you can see, we were watching this support box of around 20 cents and 30 cents region, and the price kind of bounced from this level. If you followed me on my YouTube channel and if you were following me and you took a bounce from this level to the next resistance level, then you would have gained more than 25%. So right now, I told you, if you recall my last video on the Gala coin, when we were trading here, I told you that it looks like the price is gonna go down from here, and the lower of the box, the price will reach at the lower of the box, which is at around 20 cents, because of the bearish momentum in this Gala coin and all the crypto. And right now the price action looks like it is going to the bottom of the box at around 20 cents, which is not a good sign, as you guys know, and we are making lower lows and lower highs. Nothing bullish here on this chart. As you can see, series of lower lows and lower highs, as I was predicting for the past 3 weeks. For now, it has been 3 weeks that I have been I have telling you this head and shoulder reversal pattern, that this head and shoulder reversal pattern, I have been telling you for the last 3 or 4 weeks, I guess. I can't really remember, but if you guys took a short here based on the recommendation that I made, I did a short entry here and covered here and made a nice profit. But if you are guys still short, you can cover your short position at around 20 cents. So guys, nothing looks good in the Mana coin as well, and we might expect 20 cents and even 1.0 10 cents region in the Mana coin if we don't see a bounce in the Bitcoin. And if we see a bounce in the Bitcoin, then we can see a rally in the Mana coin as well. And I'll be completely bullish in the Gala coin when this Gala coin closes above this 50 cents region, this box, and trade above it for like 2-3 days, daily candles. Then we might see a new highs in the Gala coin. Before that, we might see crash, lower highs, and then goes towards this 11 cents region where this pump initially started. So things are not looking good in the Gala coin as well. I hope you like this quick video analysis, quick stream analysis of the Gala coin. If you liked it, please, I request you to please smash up the like button for me, and also put your favorite altcoin in the comment box below so I can analyze that for you. Put your favorite altcoin in the comment box below. I'll analyze that for you. You guys can put the altcoins in the chat box, and I am going to analyze that for you. Okay, in the meanwhile, let's analyze the Enjin coin here as well. Same sort of thing is happening here in the Enjin coin. This is another gaming crypto, and as you can see on the daily chart of Enjin coin, this is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. I am amazed that all the cryptos are forming this reversal pattern here. And if you guys know a little bit about this reversal pattern, this head and shoulder reversal pattern, then you know that this is the bearish pattern, and this is the neckline of this head and shoulder pattern. So right now we have broken out from this head and shoulder pattern, and things are not looking good either on the Enjin coin as well. But this level, this is the level 2. Let's say $2 level is very important because of this support and resistance area. As you can see, very nice support and resistance area. This level must hold, and if we don't see buying pressure from this level, then we will see the Enjin coin goes towards this like $1 level, or even 50 cents region very soon, if we don't see a hold from this level. And by that time Bitcoin would be below $39K as well. So guys, be very careful in this Enjin coin as well, and watch out for this level. We might get a bounce from this level and make a higher high. So only bullish scenario in this Enjin coin would be if we break above this level of around $3 level and close the daily candle above this, then we might see a rally up here. Right, before that, if we are below this neckline and below this box, things are not looking good in the Enjin coin, and we might start to sell like this. All right, so guys, please, if you are watching this video live, then please, I request you to please smash up the like button for me. Let's do an analysis of eGold here. Let me see if it is in my list. Yes, it is. I was watching this eGold. All right, So I'm going to analyze this e-gold pair here. So let me draw a support and resistance box here like this. This was a support and resistance box on the weekly chart, and this one is the support and resistance box here, like here. So if I go to the daily chart, and you can see the price is making a lower lows and lower highs here. So we saw a nice pump all the way till the $600 level, $550 level, and right after that we saw a huge dump of about 70% almost. And the next support level in my opinion is at around this level, at around $100 level, which would be the dump of around 80%. So if you guys want to buy this coin, you can buy it at around $100 level, because if we see a dump in the Bitcoin, then we will see a rejection in this coin as well, all the way till the $100 level, because the pattern I am seeing here is a V-shaped pattern, because this is a severe pump and a severe dump. This is not a good sign on the daily chart. And coins like this typically retraces all the way back to the 80% and 90% region, in my opinion, in my experiences. So if you guys want to accumulate e-gold, then you can accumulate in this zone at around $100, and the zone is very big, $100 and $56 region. All right, because on the weekly chart, if you can see, this $55 level is very important support and resistance area. So anything up around $155 level is very important. If you are doing a dollar cost average here, that would be a nice entry for the long run. All right, so guys, if you are watching this live stream, I request you to please smash up the like button for me. That would really motivate me to continue this stream. All right, if you guys want me to analyze your favorite altcoin, you can put that in the comment box and in the chat box, and I'll analyze that for you. All right, let's do a quick analysis of ADA, because someone was asking me for this ADA. And guys, if you are following me on my YouTube channel, then you know that I was warning you here. Go watch my video of this ADA Cardano video. You can see it on my channel, and I was warning you here at this level. Let me zoom out. At this level, I was warning you that when the news comes out, before the news, we see a pump and then we will see a dump here. So I was warning you guys here at the exact level that things are not looking good, and we will see a dump in the Cardano pair. So exactly that happened, and we saw a nice dump. The reason for the dump was we saw a abnormal activity on the ADA pair. As you can see, we went significantly up about 50% in just like a week or so, which is unsustainable in my opinion, and we hit the resistance on the daily chart. As you can see, we were hitting the resistance on the daily and the weekly chart, and I was watching this on the daily chart, that every time the Cardano coin wants to pumps up, then it shot down very aggressively. So I was watching this pattern, and based on that pattern, I warned my audience that do not go long in the Cardano, and exactly that happened. And if you wanted to go long, that was a nice area to go long, but at the top, based on the hype and the news, that was a disaster for all the Cardano holder. So guys, definitely subscribe to my channel, and definitely subscribe to my channel for these warnings videos, and do not invest blindly to the coin that you go that that goes up significantly overnight without any reason, without any good hype. All right. Thank you guys. Let me know your favorite altcoin in the comment box below, and I'll analyze that for you real quick. All right, let's do a dot coin Polkadot analysis. uh, as you guys can see on the daily chart, I was making a video about this Polkadot. As you can see, I was watching this potential head and shoulder reversal pattern, but right now I'm seeing a lower lows and lower highs formation here, and basically this is now in a triangle like this. So this has converted into a triangle right now, and the bullish momentum has been lost for this pair for the time being. Right now, all right, just a second guys. So I was telling you guys that the bullish momentum of this dot coin has been lost. Previously I was anticipating a bounce from here, and in fact I did a bounce entry from this level. If you are following me on my YouTube channel, then you guys know that I took a bounce entry from here, and right after that, due to the Bitcoin and all the other market sentiment, this dot coin is also going down. So the price action is not looking good, and previously this was the neckline of this head and shoulder pattern, which is kind of invalidated for the time being here. So in my opinion, if we see a break below this, let's say $22 level in the Polkadot coin, then we will see a severe dump in the Polkadot all the way back to at least $14 and $15 level. And we can also see this $10 region if we see a dump in the Bitcoin to around 35,000 or $32,000 level, then we can see a $10 in the Polkadot as well. So guys, be very careful here. The pattern on the daily chart is not looking good for the time being, as far as I can see, making a lower lows and lower highs here on the Polkadot. Guys, please smash up the like button for me, and also put that in the comment box, your favorite altcoin. Put your favorite altcoin in the comment box. Yes, I post setups on the Telegram channel regularly, Mr. Faisal. Glad you like my ADA analysis, Cardano analysis. Guys, please smash up the like button. Alright, let's do a quick analysis of Solana network, because someone was also asking me about this. Alright, this is the Solana on the daily chart, and as you can see, this is not looking good either on the daily chart as well. Let me go to the Solana network again. Let me delete these lines first. So as you can see on the daily chart, we are making a lower lows and lower highs channel. So that's not looking good. And But if I zoom out a little bit and see it in that perspective, then it looks like a flag pattern like this. So if we see a breakout from this flag pattern, that's a bullish scenario I'm building up here for Solana network. So if we see a break of this level of around $1.177, then we will see another rally in the Solana to around $400, because this is a very big pattern. And if we break down from here, then we will see the price going towards this next support and resistance level at around, let's say, 50 and $20 region. That's not a good thing, but in my opinion, we'll have to first cope up with this level of support and resistance on the daily chart, and after that we will see this. If we see a breakdown from this Solana network, then we will see first the 60 and $50 level, and then this bottom of the range. All right, I hope that bullish scenario kicks in here at around $180 level. That would be a good thing for all of us, because I know a lot of people are holding Solana network. So guys, this is the nice area for dollar cost averaging here at around $135 level, and this area as well. If Bitcoin price starts to recover from here, then this will be a nice bargain entry here. So definitely watch this level. Guys, please smash up the like button for me, and also put your favorite altcoin in the comment box below. Mr. Chrome, I'm not suggesting that Bitcoin will break down from here. Based on the, let me see the Bitcoin chart here a bit. Based on the candlestick formation in this pattern, I can see that if we don't see a buying pressure from here, and if we go sideways like this, then there is a higher chance of breaking down. And if we see a bounce from here and hopefully closing above this 46k region, the daily candle, if we see a daily candle closes above this 46k, then we might see a higher high in the next few weeks, and hopefully we'll make a new high on the Bitcoin. And if we are closing below this neckline and this region, then there is a higher chance of going down into Bitcoin. That's what I am saying. I have made countless videos on them on my channel. You can consult that. Please go and watch those videos and you'll have a nice idea. So basically we are stuck in this narrow range, and you can say this, that market is undecided, but the sentiment is on the downside. So that's not really good for the altcoin market. The Bitcoin market should be undecided, but sentiment should be up. That would be good for the altcoin. Right now it is going opposite, so that's why we are seeing a sell-off in the altcoin market because of this sentiment. All right, let's analyze Luna based on the request of Mr. Faisal here. Let me see if I have a Luna in my list. Let's do a Luna analysis right here. All right. Okay, Mr. Pawan, I'll analyze that in a bit. Let's first do a Luna analysis. Let me delete these lines first. All right, so on the daily chart of Luna, things are looking good, and as you can see, we are making a higher highs and lower highs here. So on the daily chart, we are trending upside, so that's a good sign. And if we see the Bitcoin market and all the other coins, all the coins are crashing, but this Luna coin is holding very tight, so that's a good thing. And previous day candle closed bullishly, so that's another plus point. And as you can see, this is the trend line, and this is a third touch on the trend line. So again, nice bullish signals flashing here on the daily chart. And if I analyze this further on the 4-hour chart, and I can see this triangle, this falling channel pattern broke to the upside here, and technically the target of this falling channel pattern is at the top of the channel, which is at around $100 level, which it hasn't achieved yet. And if I do a measurement tool, and if we enter it right here and we target at the top, then we could achieve another 30% from here. So that's a nice area to for the Luna to take an entry here. And I can also see a head and shoulder pattern here as well, or inverse head and shoulder pattern here, because this is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. And let me draw a neckline here like this. This is the neckline. And also let me do a quick price prediction here like this, and if I project it outward, so if this neckline is broken to the upside, let's say at around $86 level, then we can see the Luna going towards $115 level, which will give you a nice 35% gains. So things are looking good in the Luna coin, because if I go to the weekly chart is going up as well, daily chart up as well, and 4-hour up as well. So there is lots of momentum is going around this Luna coin on all the time frames. So things are looking good. So you can wait for this 4-hour head and shoulder pattern to break out, then you can take an entry and make 35% gains, hopefully. All right, guys, can you please smash up the like button for me? That would be appreciated if you do that. And also please put your favorite altcoin in the comment box below. All right, let's analyze compound coin here. Compound coin. All right, the ticker symbol is COMP. Let's do it here. So let's analyze this on the weekly chart first. So that's a pure sign of pump and dump. As you can see, price went rapidly up throughout the 2021, and now it has almost retraced all the way back to where this pump initially started. So that's not a good sign, and you can see the price went parabolically up to almost 900% gains, and so far it has fallen more than 82% so far. So right now it is at the medium term support and resistance, as you can see, but we have seen a follow through from here, and right now it is finding a resistance at this level and at this level as well. So things are not looking good technically on the compound coin. And if I analyze further on the daily chart, I can see a series of higher highs and higher lows. Nothing significant bullish signal here on the compound coin here. This level of around $92 level here is very significant. As you can see, price was trading here for a very long time. So when the price comes back here at around this level, then if you guys are holding here for the long term, then you can dollar cost average your coin here at around this level, and then hopefully when the market takes around to the upside, then you will make a profit here. But right now I don't play these types of things. I would rather short this compound coin when it goes up to around this level or this level here, because the trend is down on the weekly and on the monthly and almost all the time frames. But as I said, this level is very critical level at around $90 and $100 level. We might see a little bit bounce from this level. All right. Guys, if you are watching this live stream, then please, I request you to please smash up the like button and also put your favorite altcoin in the comment box below. What is TQ? Okay. Do you guys want me to analyze your favorite altcoin? Let's analyze the Ethereum coin here for a bit. Let's do a quick analysis on the Ethereum, because this is the second number coin of the coin market. Lots of volume right now. I took a small long position on the Ethereum. That's why I'm curious to know what's going on in the Ethereum, because as you can see, we were watching this falling channel pattern, and unfortunately this falling channel pattern on the Ethereum broken to the downside here. And right after that, I told you that if this channel is broken to the downside, then we can expect the price to go towards this $2,500 level, at around $2,600 level or $2,500 level. But before we go to the $2,500 level, we have to cop up with this support and resistance area here. So right now we are forming a Ethereum support level here, as you can see, and this is also a nice area of support and resistance all the way through. If I can make a support resistance line here for you like this, then you can see a nice area of support and resistance. So guys, if you want to take a bounce entry from this level, then you could do that, but you would have missed already. I took a small long position somewhere here and still holding it for a little bit profit because of this daily support level and the figure, the $3,000 figure. But overall the market structure and the sentiment is looking down unless we see the Ethereum going above this $3,500 level, and closing above here with a huge bullish candle. I'll be shorting the Ethereum here because sentiment and the trend is down on the Ethereum and all the other cryptos. So guys, if you guys want to short the Ethereum and all the other cryptos, you can do that easily on the Bybit exchange. You can find the link in the description. You can also claim up to $4,500 bonuses if you sign up through my link. All right. So if you guys are watching this live stream here, please, I request you to please smash up the like button for me and put your favorite altcoin in the chat box, and I'll try to analyze that for you. I am here for the next few minutes and we'll try one or two more coins here, and we'll try to analyze your coins here. I'm here for the next, I guess, 5 to 10 minutes more. Guys, can you please smash up the like button for me if you are listening here? Okay, IOTX. Based on the request of my subscriber, I'm doing a technical analysis video on the IOTX. IOTX looks pretty good right now, in my opinion, but it has already went up from this support level. As you can see, this was a nice area of support and resistance, like here. As you can see on the daily chart, IOTX, this was a resistance here. It broke out, it acted as a support here, it went out, and it came back again here. It acted as a support here, didn't go much further. It is acting as a support here once again. But right now the candles are not looking bullish as we used to see, like this. As you can see, compare this bullish candle to these small tiny bullish candles like this. So although we are trading at the support level right now, but the momentum has been lost for this pair, as you can see, and we are also making a lower lows and lower highs here as well. Let me draw a nothing significant here. So this level is very important. This 9 cents region is very important. If we see a breakdown from this level, then we will see this coin to goes towards this 5 cent region. And if we manages to break out from this level, and hopefully when it will retest here, you can enter it here, and hopefully it will come back again at around 20 cents region. So right now this box is very important. Watch out for this box, and if you guys are holding this coin, then pray that this coin doesn't break this low of this box at around 9 cents. If it breaks, then you can see 5 cents in this IOTX. Guys, if you are watching this live stream, then I request you to please smash up the like button for me, and also if you guys want me to analyze your favorite altcoin, you can put that in the chat box and I'll analyze that for you. You're welcome, Pawan Kumar. I appreciate you watching my videos and commenting on my videos. Thank you very much. All right. So I guess that's it. All right, it was a nice meeting you guys here, and I tried to analyze all your favorite altcoin. And if you still want me to analyze your favorite altcoin, you can comment that in my chat box on the YouTube, and I'll definitely make a video around it, or I'll make a new YouTube stream somewhere like maybe tomorrow. All right. So thank you very much guys for watching my live stream today, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Take care.